The battlefield in Ukraine erupted once again as Ukrainian FPV drone units launched precise strikes on groups of Russian troops attempting to flee the front line. Circulating footage captured the sharp, buzzing roar of propellers as the drones skimmed low, chasing soldiers who were panicking and running in every direction. The chaotic scene perfectly illustrated how dire the situation had become on the front. The incident occurred in the eastern sector, an area that has been the center of intense fighting for weeks. Relentless pressure from Ukrainian forces left Russian units overwhelmed and forced into a disorganized retreat. As their defensive lines collapsed, FPV drones immediately slipped in, pursuing targets without giving them even the slightest chance to escape. Inside the control station, Ukrainian drone operators sat locked in focus, gripping their joysticks with extreme precision. They worked in tense silence, broken only by short, sharp instructions exchanged between operators as they coordinated the drones one after another. Once a target appeared on the screen, the operator instantly locked onto it and began the deadly run with frightening accuracy. The drones raced low over open trenches, shattered concrete, and abandoned military vehicles, displaying maneuverability that left the fleeing troops helpless. The FPV camera captured every movement of the Russian soldiers scrambling for cover behind dirt walls, but their efforts were pointless. The drones continued chasing without hesitation. According to reports from the field, the Russian troops under attack were units that had already lost a strategic position after heavy Ukrainian artillery fire. Exhausted, disoriented, and struggling to regroup, their withdrawal became chaotic. Ukrainian drone units fully exploited these conditions, pressing them hard until they had nowhere left to run. In one of the most dramatic recordings, a drone tailed 3 Russian soldiers sprinting in a zigzag pattern toward a line of trees, hoping to disappear from view. Yet the operator kept adjusting the drone's trajectory, weaving through branches and debris with near impossible precision, relentlessly closing the distance in an open patch of ground. A sharp, deadly explosion lit up the area, sending dust and debris into the air. Screams and confusion echoed in the background, further destabilizing the remaining Russian units. Ukrainian operators quickly launched additional drones, ensuring no scattered groups could reorganize or mount even minimal resistance. Witnesses on the front line stated that FPV technology has fundamentally changed how Ukraine defends its territory. These drones, cheap, quickly produced, and capable of carrying small explosive charges, have become a decisive weapon in modern warfare. Ukraine's ability to maximize this technological edge has proven effective against Russia's traditional military strength. Ukrainian military officials confirmed that the operation was part of a broader tactic to eliminate Russian units before they could regroup. "We do not give the enemy any room to regain stability. Every gap must be exploited," said one Ukrainian commander involved in the mission. The remaining Russian troops were reported to be scattered and struggling to maintain communication. Some attempted to hide in improvised bunkers, while others tried to flee on foot or in light vehicles that were never designed to counter drone attacks. Their escape attempts became futile as drones continued circling above. Another clip showed a light armored Russian vehicle speeding out of the conflict zone. As it swerved to avoid a cratered road, an FPV drone descended sharply from behind, targeting the vehicle's weakest point. Moments later, a powerful blast tore through the air. Military analysts stated that this event demonstrates a dramatic shift in modern warfare doctrine. In the past, victory depended on the number of tanks and artillery, said an observer in Kyiv. Now, inexpensive but deadly FPV drones can change the course of battle in a matter of minutes. The FPV strike videos quickly went viral on social media, sparking lengthy discussions about strategies and the effectiveness of drones in modern conflict. Many commentators described Ukraine as a pioneer in the use of small, explosive-laden drones as highly efficient offensive weapons. The Russian side has not issued an official statement regarding the incident, but several pro-Kremlin channels on Telegram admitted that drone attacks have become the most lethal threat their units face, especially during a retreat. They acknowledge that the lack of anti-drone systems leaves their troops in an extremely vulnerable position. Fighting in the sector is expected to intensify further in the coming days, especially if Ukraine continues to capitalize on this momentum. With FPV drone capabilities expanding rapidly, Ukrainian forces hope to push Russian lines even farther back and reclaim territory previously lost during earlier stages of the conflict.